Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a Hyundai Verna who has installed the Woodman Hercules here. You can see the display looks absolutely beautiful. This is a QLED display, which means you have the best display possible on the market, which also has an viewing angle of 178 degrees, right? So that's just awesome. Anyway, so this both has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for your device connectivity, and this also has a DSP sound chip, as you can see here. So what is a DSP sound chip? So basically DSP sound chip allows you to control the quality and everything about your sound of the car, right? So you can see this has the equalizer here. So this has all the modes you can see here. You can also control the loudness from here. You have a sound stage from here, which will be, if you need a sound customization option, you can control it from here. You have a loudspeaker option here, so you can basically select where do you want the middle of the sound to be. And yeah, that's just super awesome. You can also control each speaker from here. Now let's just move on to the next feature, which is the SWC feature. Now you would say, what is an SWC feature? So basically an SWC feature is like it provides all the features of the Woodman in a single panel, so you do not have to go to the menu and navigate each and every time. So this has a very much minimal display, and you can pretty much control everything from here, from navigation to answering calls, volumes, power, mode, everything, music. And the Woodman also has a dedicated Play Store app, so you can download any app that you like from the Google Play Store to the Woodman Hercules. Now let's just move on to another feature. So this has also radio, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth music. If I go on to Android Auto, then you can see the Android Auto is completely working here. I'll just go here and you can see this has all the display, and this looks absolutely awesome. Let me just quickly play you music. How good is this? The UI looks clean and minimal. You can also change sounds from here. You can quickly navigate from here. If you want to go to any place, you can just search it here, and yeah, that's basically it. Anyway, this is the Android Auto. You can basically see every Android thing that you have. And if I just go to the home screen here, this is the internal storage. So this has a 64 GB internal storage, and you can like pretty much get anything installed here using the APKs or from the Google Play Store itself. Next up, what we have, the Woodman Hercules also comes with an Octa-core 1.6 GHz processor, which basically gives you no lag at all. And it also comes with an 64 GB storage and 4 GB of DDR4 RAM. Staying connected on the go is easy with the Hercules Village. It features a 4G SIM slot, so allowing the unit to access the internet directly without relying on your phone's hotspot or anything. Additionally, it also supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster and more stable connections. Even without your smartphone, Hercules also has a built-in GPS, and that comes with a pre-installed Google Maps, so you can download offline maps and use it, ensuring you're never lost, even areas with poor connectivity or no connectivity at all. With both online and offline navigation types, you basically are confident to reach your destination. Now, it also supports mirror link for Android and iOS devices, enabling you to mirror your smartphone screens directly onto the infotainment display. After exploring the Woodman Hercules, it's clear that the infotainment system offers a comprehensive upgrade over the standard units. Its combination of vibrant display, responsive interface, premium audio features, and seamless smartphone integration makes it a top contender for anyone looking to enhance their in-car experience. Yeah, that's it for today's guys. I hope if you guys liked the video, if you guys have any type of questions, you can drop down in the comments below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more car tech content, and see you guys in the next one. Thank you and have a great day.